Understanding cold wind, a phrase explained. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the English language to uncover the meaning behind the phrase, cold wind. This may seem like a simple expression, but it's packed with imagery and can be used in various contexts. So, let's explore together and enhance your English comprehension. Cold wind refers to a wind that is noticeably chilly or cold to the senses. It's straightforward. When you step outside, and the wind feels cool or freezing, that's a cold wind. This literal meaning is often used in weather descriptions or to set a scene in stories and conversations. Beyond its literal sense, cold wind can have a figurative meaning. It can symbolize a change or a sense of discomfort. For example, in literature, a cold wind might represent an unwelcome change in circumstances or the arrival of challenging times. It's a powerful metaphor that adds depth to language. Let's see how cold wind is used in everyday language. 1. Describing weather. I need to wear a thicker jacket. There's a cold wind blowing today. 2. In literature, a cold wind swept through the village, foreshadowing dark times ahead. 3. Metaphorically in conversation. After the news broke out, a cold wind seemed to blow through the office, leaving everyone uneasy. These examples show the versatility of the phrase in various contexts. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and use of the phrase, cold wind, in the English language. Whether it's describing the weather or symbolizing change, this phrase is a great example of English's rich descriptive power. Keep practicing, and you'll master these nuances in no time. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.